First, what needs to be ready and completed for the concrete-related activities to start?
Grading. The grading, or building pad, needs to be established in order to form the slab perimeter. This includes accounting for any thickened slab area needed per the plans or specifications.
Formwork. The formwork establishes the perimeter of the home or pour and helps set the thickness and elevation above ground level of the slab.
Barriers. Needed to protect the home and establish a full building envelope.
Mechanical and service rough-ins. These include plumbing, electrical, and even HVAC rough-ins under the slab. In some cases, utility connections such as gas, water, electrical, and low voltage also need to be installed prior to pouring the slab.
Keep in mind that some of these rough-ins go below the vapor barrier and some go above the vapor barrier. After those steps are completed, the actual pour begins.
Pouring. In this sequence, you can see the crew placing concrete around the perimeter in the thickened areas. Then the rest of the slab is filled.
Rough finishing slab. The crew screeds the concrete to the height of the form boards. Care is taken to clean up spills before the concrete hardens against the outside of the form boards.
Fine finishing slab. Using a variety of hand tools and power tools, crews will finish the surface of the slab. Right before finishing, the placement of anchor bolts and other strapping will take place.
Remove formwork. When the concrete is set up enough, formwork is removed, and a visual inspection of the edges will take place.
Now we have a finished slab. After the slab is poured and finished, quality control measures are performed to assure quality of the work prior to moving forward with the next activities.
Often the next activity for single-family homes after the concrete slabs are poured is laying out the walls and the start of framing.